what if I told you that you could build a fully operational business before you even finish your morning coffee? Sounds like a scam, right? But here's a wild fact. Artificial intelligence has gotten so absurdly good that it's literally doing exactly that. Finally, you can have a digital employee that works 24/7, and the best part? It won't ever yell at you for showing up late. Welcome back to Financial Analysis USA. In today's explainer, we are diving deep into some seriously cool things to try this year. We're using Mark Tilbury's massive 17 million view AI dropshipping experiment as our reference video, breaking down the exact numbers, data, and strategy behind it so you don't have to.
So let's jump right into the million-dollar question. Can AI actually run a business for you? We're unpacking a really gripping 7-day challenge to see if artificial intelligence can build, launch, and operate a profitable dropshipping store completely from scratch. This isn't just a bunch of theory, guys. We're looking at a highly compressed timeline where the ultimate goal is to go from an absolutely blank screen to a money-making asset in just one single week.
I mean, think about this staggering fact. AI can now generate an entire, fully functional e-commerce storefront in literally minutes. It is basically the ultimate escape hatch from the traditional 9-to-5 grind. Plus, by employing AI to do all the heavy lifting, like we joked about, you finally get a boss that won't yell at you for being late. Seriously though, reclaiming your own time has never been this accessible.
Okay, so for today's explainer, we're organizing this intense 7-day experiment into a highly actionable 4-part playbook. We'll hit 1. The blueprint, 2. Building your AI storefront, 3. Finding and refining products, and 4. Advertising and counting profits.
All right, starting off with Section 1, the AI Dropshipping Blueprint.
Before we go and unleash the bots to build our store, let's look at the foundational rules that make this specific side hustle possible in the first place. Mark laid out 3 essential rules to ensure this experiment was a truly accessible, low-risk venture. Rule 1, use AI tools to do the heavy lifting. Rule 2, zero inventory. We're relying strictly on dropshipping here, so you never have to buy, store, or even touch a single physical product. And Rule 3, maintain incredibly low startup costs. This whole blueprint is specifically designed to protect your wallet while you're out there testing the waters.
Moving right along to Section 2, building your AI storefront. This is the setup phase.
The workflow for this setup is just incredibly simple. First up, using a platform like buildyourstore.ai, you just pick a niche that interests you. Second, you let the AI completely customize the store's overall design. And third, you connect it to a free Shopify account. Boom! In literally minutes, the AI populates that empty Shopify account with a beautiful, customized storefront that looks remarkably professional. It's almost like magic.
And this brilliantly illustrates the exact objective laid out by Mark's objective. Use AI to build a Shopify dropshipping store with winning products. The core promise here is absolute speed. The AI handles all the coding, the color schemes, the layout, and the entire initial setup. This is a total game changer because it saves you weeks of frustrating web development time and lets you skip straight to the fun part, the business of actually selling.
Which brings us to Section 3, finding and refining products.
Look, a store is absolutely nothing without things to sell, and this is exactly why AI still desperately needs a human boss. While tools like AutoDS can scrape the internet for trending items, steps 4 and 5 require your distinct human intuition. You have to step in to find the true winning products among all the digital noise, and then optimize those listings with your own manual tweaks.
When we compare AI automated sourcing against human manual tweaks, the dynamic is super clear. The AI pulls in the raw data, the dimensions, the basic descriptions, but your manual tweaks, those are what actually persuade a real human customer to trust your site and click buy. AI builds the foundation for sure, but human psychology is what closes the sale.
So let's look at exactly what you need to be doing here. Think of yourself as the editor-in-chief of this whole operation. You need to curate the best items from the AI's list. You've got to rewrite those awkward, kind of robotic titles into something catchy. You need to carefully adjust the pricing so you actually make a solid profit margin. And you absolutely have to polish those product descriptions. Refining these robotic outputs into compelling, human-sounding marketing copy is the secret sauce. That's what builds real trust with your buyers.
All right, into the final stretch. Section 4, advertising and counting profits.
The final 2 steps of Mark's 7-day challenge involve driving the actual revenue. Step 6 is all about advertising the store. This means launching ad campaigns and putting those perfectly tweaked products right in front of potential buyers on social media. And finally, Step 7 is reviewing your sales and profits. This is where you dive into the raw sales data to see if the experiment actually worked, carefully calculating your ad spend against your real dropshipping margins. When we map this whole thing out, the speed is just incredible. On day 1, you have the AI source setup, completely automated. By day 4, you are deep into manual optimization and launching those ads. And by day 7, you are already reviewing your profits. It literally takes you from a blank screen to a marketed, operating business in just 1 week.
And the ultimate takeaway here really comes down to this number, 7. It only took 7 days for Mark to prove that leveraging AI as your ultimate digital employee can create a legitimate passive income stream. But remember the key lesson from our analysis today. This only works provided you put in the manual oversight to refine the rough edges that the AI leaves behind.
Which leaves us with a final, very important question for you to ponder. What niche would you choose for your AI dropshipping store? Think about how you could apply this exact 7-day playbook to your own passions, whether that's fitness gear, pet supplies, or maybe cool tech gadgets. Let us know your ideas in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Financial Analysis USA for more breakdowns of the most profitable strategies on the internet. Thanks for checking out this explainer, and we will see you